So a prepositional phrase. A preposition never appears in a sentence by itself. It is always part of a prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. This is super easy, friends. We're first going to look for our preposition. So I swam across the river. Do you see the preposition? It's right here. There's my preposition. Oops, right there, preposition. Now, if you look over to the side of our prepositional list, you will see that across is a preposition. Remember, to find a preposition, you just have to look at the list. So I look for my preposition, and then I look for the next word that is a noun or a pronoun. The is not a noun or a pronoun. River is a noun. So this is the end of my preposition. So for our prepositional phrase, we'll put a parentheses around the whole thing. The object of a preposition is the noun or the pronoun that completes a prepositional phrase. So here again, Amy is visiting with her grandmother. So with is our preposition. Again, look at the list and you say, oh, with, that's a preposition. Her is not a noun or a pronoun. Well, it's a pronoun, but it's a prepositional pronoun. We're looking for objective and subjective pronouns. Grandmother. Hey, grandmother is a noun. So this word here is the object. The last word in our prepositional phrase is our object. So again, our prepositional phrase starts here and ends here. Now, sometimes when you're looking at prepositional phrases, there's going to be a problem. There's not going to be just one word between the preposition and the object. There actually might be lots of words, but they're always going to be adjectives. Mom went to the grocery store. To, again, is our preposition. Store is our object. The grocery are both adjectives. So a lot of times you'll have between the preposition and the object a bunch of adjectives. Again, starts here, ends here. Think A. We're going to box the preposition and circle the object in each of the following prepositional phrases. So, beneath the dark blue ocean. Well, what's our preposition? Look at the list. Beneath. So we're going to put a box around it. What's our object? Well, where's the first noun I see? The, no. Dark, no. Blue, no. Ocean. Look at number 2. For a yellow flower. Well, what's our preposition? Look at the list. For. A, not a noun. Yellow, not a noun. Flower, that's a noun, which makes it the object. Number 3, by John Smith. Look for your preposition on the list. By. What's our object? John Smith. And again, we're going to circle all of John Smith because John Smith is one person. Okay, think B. Underline the prepositional phrase in each of the following sentences. The prepositions are already underlined for you. Okay, so they started it for us. Ye are the light of the world. So of is my preposition. That starts my prepositional phrase. So now I have to look for a noun or pronoun. The, no, world. So this whole thing starting of, ending at world is our prepositional phrase. Number 2, scones taste good with milk. Okay, with is the beginning of our prepositional phrase. Let's look for a noun. Milk. So our prepositional phrase is with milk. Number 3, God will bring us safely through the dark. Through is our preposition, so now I have to look for a noun. The, no, dark. Oh, dark, that's a noun. Through the dark. Think C, 208. Place parentheses around your prepositional phrase. Circle the object of each preposition. I am glad that I go to a Christian school. Okay, look at your preposition list. What are the prepositions in this sentence? Let's see. To. To is a preposition. That means I'm going to put my parentheses in front of the word to start the word or start the phrase. And now I need to look for a noun or pronoun that ends the phrase. To a? No, that's not a noun. Christian's a noun. Oh, but it could be describing something. School. Put your parentheses. And school is our object. Number 2. Think C, 208. Place parentheses around your prepositional phrase. Circle the object of each preposition. I am glad that I go to a Christian school. Okay, look at your preposition list. Number 2, during the school year, we learn many things about the Bible. I'm going to tell you something. There can be more than one prepositional phrase per sentence. During is on the list. So during is the start. During what? The school year. So year is our object. But guess what? I see another preposition. About. So this will start our prepositional phrase. About what? The Bible. That's the object of our prepositional phrase. Let's look at the next one. Toward the end of the school year, our teacher reads to us. That sounds familiar. Well, if you look at the list, toward is a preposition. Toward what? The end. Toward the end. Of, that's another one. Of what? School day. That's our object. Does what? To who? Us. Number 4. I like hearing stories about our other Christians. Let's see, this one's pretty simple. About is our preposition. About, what's our object? Christians. So Christians is our object. And then lastly, number 5 is what I'm going to do with you, and you're going to do the rest on your own. In Bible time, we sing hymns and choruses about Jesus. Ooh, there's 2. In is a preposition. In what? Bible time. So that's our object. About is another preposition. About what? Jesus. Then circle Jesus as the object. Give yourself a pat on the back for watching this video because I'm going to give you a huge secret. You do not need to do Think D.